It was horrible, but yeah. But this is reward, and I hope.
Hello everybody, today we will talk about organizational management, and first we will explore more the term holocracy. This is a system of organized governance where authority and decision making are distributed around a network of self-organizing teams instead of more centralized organizations and hierarchies. The aim is to increase the agility, empowerment, and innovation by giving individuals and groups more autonomy. How it works? It's very simple. It's by breaking down traditional hierarchical structures of an organization into a network of self-organized teams called circles. And each circle has different responsibilities for a specific area of the organization. For example, public communications, marketing, and etc. Moreover, each circle has its own set of roles, rules, and processes that they are connected with. In holocracy, individuals are not given specific jobs or managers. They take different roles inside their circle depending on their expertise and the need of the project that are currently working on. This allows an incredible flexibility and adaptation. Moreover, holocracy is characterized by transparency and open communication. In that system of organizational governance, there are regular meetings and checkups with the teams in order to ensure that everybody knows the vision of the company and they're working on the mutual goal. Another element of this system is the tensions, the so-called tensions, which help to identify and face problems and to solve them. For holocracy to work, there is a specific need of a certain mindset and behaviors for the community leaders, workers, and all people involved. And that is how to work in a very decentralized and autonomous team, which will in fact result in learning from failures of the company during the process of the development.
Sociocracy. Sociocracy is also a system of governance and decision-making. It aims to create more effective, efficient, and equitable organizations by involving all members in decision-making processes. Its base is on consent, transparency, and accountability principles. Sociocratic organizations have decentralized decision-making by distributing this power to all members, and each member has an equal say in matters that affect them. In practice, the organization is divided into smaller self-governing cycles, and each cycle has its roles, rules, and principles. The decision-making processes is based on dynamic governance, which translates into regular meetings for sharing information and discussing issues. Of course, it is implied that the process is designed to be inclusive, open for all the members to contribute. Sociocracy is the method most applied in community organizing, as it's very process-oriented and focuses on cooperation and creates more equitable and democratic decision-making processes. It functions by decentralizing decision-making processes and making them as involved as possible, and involving all members aiming to reach consent and applying transparency and accountability with a culture of trust and respect. The small cycles are self-governed and each takes care of a specific area of the organization, and its members are encouraged to take on different roles within the process according to the needs of the task at hand. One of the key aspects is adopting double linking, where each cycle has a representative. That link is to the next cycle, and this facilitates and allows the flow of information. The focus is on the importance of constantly improving and adapting, which can be done with regular evaluations and feedback to ensure the organization is meeting its goals and all are happy with how things are being run. This also needs a shift in mindset and behaviors for all who work, volunteer, and manage the community to work in decentralized and autonomous environments, learn to work with consensus-based decision-making, and have great extents of commitment for everyone.
So now we're going to finish off this video by talking about Agile Management. So Agile Management is a methodology applied to projects and organization, and it's the same as Holocracy and Sociocracy. It promotes flexibility and adaptation. It is grounded on Agile Manifesto, a set of principles created by software developers, focusing on the value of individuals and their interactions, working software, and customer collaboration, and responding to change over processes and tools. Of course, it can also be applied to other fields such as community organizing. Here, the management structure is flat and decentralized, including cross-functional teams that work together to achieve a common goal. That allows flexibility and adaptivity, and teams can answer quickly to changes and developments. The system is based on repetition, step by step, including regular check-ins and progress updates so that everyone can know if there's any issues or what's the progress, and everybody can be on track. The process is supported by applying agile boards, backlogs, and sprints. These help prioritize tasks, measure progress, and manage change. Agile management puts a strong focus on communication and collaboration, envisaging regular meetings to make sure all are aware of the progress that is made. This works by breaking down large projects into smaller chunks. These are called sprints, and they usually have a short period of time, around 2 to 4 weeks. A team comprises cross-functional members who work together to achieve the common goal for the sprint. The team is self-organized, meaning it is responsible for deciding how to achieve the goal of the sprint best, allowing flexibility and adaptivity, and allowing groups to react quickly to new developments and challenges. One of the main tools in Agile Management is the application of Scrum. This framework provides the structure of Agile development, which contains a Scrum Master, development team, and etc. The Scrum Master ensures that the team follows the Scrum framework. The teams are prioritizing the work, and then the development team ensures that it is aligned with the organizational goal. Another essential aspect is the use of daily stand-up meetings. Team members quickly shared what they did the day before, what progress they've made, or maybe what challenges they faced, so that everybody knows what is happening, what's the progress, if there are certain problems, and if there need to be some changes.